Hey everybody, I'm excited. A friend of mine gave me this. It's from the Swiss Colony. Let me see if I can show this. Cheese spreads. I'm excited to try this. I picked myself up some pita crackers to try with. And some tortilla chips. I am so excited. I'm so appreciative to my friend. You know who you are. I'm not going to use your name because you told me not to. Didn't realize it was going to be like this. That's okay. Yeah. And yes, I have some vitamin butter. Yeah, I'm going to have to get a backup extra table. I'm on a dining table. I don't mind it, but I want to have more room while I make videos. Oh, wow. Look at that. These look good. Oh, nice. I got a shrimp cocktail. Excuse me, sorry. Garlic de la crab. Garlic cheese spread. Lobster delight. Spinach supreme. Swiss and bacon cheese. I'm curious with that one. Huh, this is new. I've never heard of this. Shrimp scampi and smoked bacon. I'm getting excited. And these I've never tried, so I opened this part earlier, but I didn't open the bag. Try one of these quick first.
Patients who have sensitive teeth but also want whiter teeth have to make a choice for one versus the other. Sensodyne Clinical White provides 2 shades of whiter teeth as well as providing 24/7 sensitivity protection. Sensodyne on the shelf.
Shrimp cocktail cheese spread. Trying this one first. Gonna do one try of each, and I'll say what I like best and least. Okay. I give that one a lot of credit. I could taste shrimp, which is awesome, and it didn't taste like ketchup or horseradish, which I like. It was definitely cheesy and creamy, which helped because normally cocktail sauce I don't touch. I used to like it, but now I don't. So very good job with that one. Next comes, and yes, I'm going to be finishing all of these. It'll take me a couple of days, but I'll get it done. Cream de la crab cheese spread. Look at that. Look how good that looks. Just a bit. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm-hmm. That one's really good. So far, first two thumbs up, plus the knife. Got opening Lobster Delight now. One more cracker one.
You don't see where I'm going with this. She wanted a pizza. That's not what she wants to eat.
Mmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm.
I still don't understand what did I ever do to give her the impression that I was.
I don't know what it is. No. Delight. It's not overpowering. The flavor's there. That's definitely worth it in my opinion. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I know around certain holidays I gotta invest in one of these. The garlic one. Unless I already did this one, I'll know in a sec. This is the last cracker one. Okay, I did not. Last cracker one, and I'm opening up the tortilla chips up. I'm having a blah moment. It's okay. You are, again, the garlic. Okay. I love garlic. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Mmm. I love garlic. Like I said, whenever I can have garlic seasoning on a food, I enjoy it. Like seafood, steak, chicken, no problem. The garlic is light on this, and it's, again, not overpowering, and I taste more of a cheese, because it is a cheese spread, though it's worth it. There's flavor, nice and light. I like that. Pack these up real quick. Thank you again for my cheesy spread gifts to my friend. Move these over here. Because next, using these for the last 4. I'm always thinking that a bag's just gonna erupt, like you open it and everything flies everywhere. The shrimp scampi. I am very curious with this one, just because of how different it is.
Something marvelous has happened. I suddenly realized it's not Ava I want to marry today. It's you. What? You want to marry me? Yes. I'm proposing to you. I would have done it years ago, but I found your beauty intimidating. She dumped you.
Alright,
Apparently I'm not bad enough for her. Or I'm too much for her. It's all very confusing. So now you're trying to jam me in.
the shrimp scampi. Don't mind me. Very bland. I did not get flavor, not even for the flavor being shrimp scampi, and I didn't really taste anything. It just, that was like, just being honest, because I'm going to be honest with it. Excuse me. This one, in my opinion, someone else may like it, and that's fine. I am going to finish it and can add something to it. It was like just grabbing the plain cream cheese from the store and putting that on the chip. Now we got Spanish Supreme. See how this one is. There we go. Look at how good that looks. Mm-hmm. That one's good. Spanish cream. I tasted spinach. Nice and light. That makes me think of picnics, barbecues, grabbing a chip. Definitely good for the barbecuing and picnics. That's very worth it for it. Other than the one so far. Last two. And so far, other than one, all good. The Swiss and bacon. I'm nervous in a way. I would eat this again. There's no doubt. It's very different. Strong on Swiss. I could taste the bacon. But it's like I have the smell in my mouth. Though I would finish this again. Though I would have this seasonally. Like watching a movie at home, having chips or crackers by myself, yeah. But parties, I would not recommend this one. No offense. Considering I have shopped the Swiss Colony before. Last one is, because I'm almost forgetting, smoked bacon. No offense, that name actually makes me just think of when I'm making bacon, or it makes me think of a bacon flavored dog treat for my doggie. Excuse me. Allergies. Okay. Honestly, and this I was worried about. The smoked bacon, very bland. You could smell the bacon, because there is bacon bits in here, it says for ingredient. But it tastes very bland. I'm shocked. I know I'm still gonna finish it. I'll probably put it on a bagel. And maybe with everything bagel seasoning. But I know I'll finish it because I don't like to waste. Yeah, 2 in here I can still handle, no issue. The rest are just all good. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Yes, these are all going to get finished. And yes, I will be making a purchase again sometime this year. But let me know if you guys have had any of these. And if I can do another video for you guys for another review on food, let me know. Thank you. Like and subscribe.